I'm actually tired. This is going to happen. With this happening, guys, that is the face I am right now. I was feeling somehow and I just decided to make this video because I'm sorry if the camera is moving about. I'm trying to get the right angle. It just finished raining and just inside. I couldn't go to church today and it was just a lot. I was just thinking and I don't know. Just sometimes I'm like, when you're waiting on God for something and it seems as though that thing is not coming forth, or maybe you begin to have doubts that this is going to happen. With this happening, guys, that is the face I am right now. And I must say, I'm actually tired. It's just God that has been keeping me, and I can always say that you should continue to keep me because I can't do it on my own. I cannot do it on my own. Especially when I see other people's testimony or hear people's testimony, I'm like, God, when is my testimony coming? I watch videos, of people talking about what they did during their waiting period and waiting time. Like, God, I really, really, really need your miracle. In order not to entertain, like doubt and fear, I just read my Bible or just listen to music. But most times I just watch movies on my phone on YouTube. I'm like, let me just get that away from my mind because I'm not going to let the devil steal my joy, right? And that's just it. Again, like I've been trying to move because I feel this urge in my spirit to move. But guys, I don't have the financial capability to move. I'm not capable of moving because I don't have money. Last time I tried moving, I was scammed. Like the agents scammed me. Even though I had seen it earlier that I was going to be scammed. But I was disobedient, so my disobedience cost me my money. Yeah, so the money I saved, I just use it to renovate my room in my parents' house, and since then it's just been like that. I've been doing I don't want to call it menial jobs, but contract jobs. Let me just put that. I've been doing contract jobs and all. Guys, this video is somehow like noise everywhere, but please just take it like that because like I don't want it to be aesthetic or whatever. I just want to talk. So yeah, I just renovated the room and I'm going to I'll put the videos, like the room, everything, the renovation video. I'll just put it there. It cost a lot, and since then, guys, I use my savings for the house, for the renovation rather. So yeah, since then I've just been looking onto God. My saving has been saving in me by the help of God. Like I've just been spending my savings. And I'm like, I need to get a job, but I don't want a job that I'll have to wake up early and just rush to. No, I want like a remote job, administrative job. I'm a virtual administrative assistant. I can do social media management. I can do a whole lot of things, guys. A whole lot of things. I'm a volunteer. Just get my job, something that'll give me money, something that'll pay my bills because I'm not getting any younger. I celebrate my birthday on the 11th of October. Like, I was just down. I wasn't sad, I wasn't happy, I was just there because I'm like, this is a new age. God, you must do something. Anyways, I'm still using this video as a point of contact and like a motivation for somebody out there that God sees you, God has not forgotten you, and He will definitely do that which He has promised. Except He didn't say it. Unless God didn't promise you anything. But if He promised you something, trust me, is going to do it. Anyway, guys, enjoy my renovation vlog and please subscribe to my channel.
Add small water so that the roller go.
We still come for
Yeah, we are still coming. I'm going to get cotton now. Just got back from the convenience store, so I'm going to get cotton. I'm on the road and yeah, let's go. So I'm at the cotton shop right now. I'm trying to check for which one to pick, because the vinyl floor I chose is kind of light, like light ash or something. Yeah, something like that. So I don't want the cotton to be too dark and too bright to, you know, just to fit in. That's what I'm thinking of. But yeah, I'm thinking of picking this, but at the same time it's too common. I don't like common stuff. But if I don't get anyone else that I like, I'm going to pick this one. Yeah. So I think I'm getting this one. It's telling me 26k per yard. Hey, cottons are so expensive. Cotton, the total is 71,350. Hey, guys, cottons are so expensive. They are so expensive. Just one room, 71,350. I asked him to remove the 350, but Baba said no. So I don't know. We'll find. So the work has been done. I mean, the guy finished yesterday after they came back, and now I'm waiting for it to dry, because he said it's going to take like 5 to 7 days for it to properly dry, and then we'll proceed to painting. Guys, renovating costs a lot. I mean, a lot, but it's okay, just to make everything fine. These are my contents. I got this light recently, and those stand is for a light. Okay, yes, this are the lights. I recently bought them. This is RGB and this is just a normal light. So these are the stands. This is my tripod stand that's been through a lot. It's not even working again. But yeah, let me show you the floor. So yeah, that's the finished look. I don't want to show you a table yet, guys. Don't look at the table. But this is my reading chair. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Yeah, thank you for watching. My name is Mayowa. If you're just coming across my video, my name is Mayowa. This is Mayowa's Media. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, give my videos a thumbs up, and please comment. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.